Tired of your music sounding flat, digital, and lifeless? What if you could rediscover every nuance, every emotion, exactly as the artist intended? Today, we're diving deep into a device that promises to do just that. The brand new FiiO K13 R2R desktop DAC and headphone amplifier. This isn't just another audio gadget. It's a high-fidelity powerhouse designed to transform your listening experience. At the heart of the FiiO K13 is something truly special. FiiO's self-developed, fully differential 24-bit R2R DAC. Forget generic DAC chips. This beast is built from a ladder of 192 ultra-precise, low-drift resistors, meticulously arranged to convert your digital files into analog sound. What does that mean for you? It means a unique, warm, and incredibly musical timbre that often gets lost in standard digital conversion. Your music will gain depth, texture, and a natural, organic feel that's closer to an analog recording, bringing the soul back to every note. You'll hear details you never knew existed, making your favorite tracks feel brand new. But the K13 empowers you with choice, offering NOS and OS dual modes for flexible listening. Imagine being able to instantly switch between two distinct high-end sound signatures. In NOS, or non-oversampling mode, the K13 preserves the original sampling rate, delivering a pure, unadulterated, and natural sound that purists adore. It's raw, authentic, and incredibly engaging. Then, with a flick, switch to OS, oversampling mode, which upsamples your audio to 384 kHz for improved metrics, delivering a finer, clearer sound with enhanced detail and precision. Whether you crave unfiltered warmth or crystalline clarity, the K13 lets you tailor your listening experience to your mood or your music. It's like having two reference-grade DACs in one device. And if you're thinking, what if my headphones need a little help, or I want to fine-tune the sound even further? FiiO has truly outdone themselves with the K13's 10-band high-precision PQ. This isn't just basic bass and treble control. It's a powerful studio-grade equalizer, fully customizable through FiiO's intuitive app or even a web interface. You can correct for headphone response curves, simulate vintage audio profiles, or create and share your own custom EQ settings with surgical precision. Imagine tuning your audio to perfectly compensate for your room acoustics or bringing out specific frequencies in a track you love. The possibilities are endless, giving you unprecedented control over your sound like never before. Beyond these incredible features, the K13 boasts a powerful 2,400 milliwatts output, ready to drive even the most demanding headphones with authority. Its versatile connectivity, including XLR balanced and RCA outputs, for 0.4mm balanced and 6.35mm single-ended headphone jacks, ensures it integrates seamlessly into any desktop setup. Plus, with LDAC Bluetooth 5.4, you can enjoy high-resolution wireless streaming for convenience without compromise. The FiiO K13 R2R desktop DAC and headphone amp isn't just an upgrade. It's a revelation. It brings a unique blend of analog warmth, digital precision, and unparalleled customization to your desktop. If you're ready to stop just listening to music and start truly experiencing it, if you want to unleash the full potential of your headphones and rediscover the soul in your favorite tracks, then the FiiO K13 is an absolute game changer. Don't just hear your music, feel it.